Okay now, Dorcas Adeyinka náà ti jáde ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ lórí brouhaha tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Funke Akindele àti Toyin Abraham. Àmọ́ ṣá èmi ò ní sọ nǹkan tó sọ, ẹ̀yin fúnra ara yín ni kẹ́ wo fídíò yìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wá ń wò kẹ́ máa like, kẹ́ máa share, kẹ́ máa comment ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ tí subscribe bá mi tẹ subscribe button, kò cost yín lówó, kò cost yín extra data. Ẹ ṣe ọwọ́ tẹ fi ń like, tẹ fi ń share, tẹ fi ń comment, tẹ fi ń subscribe, tẹ fi ń tẹ notification button yín, ẹ̀ ní fi gbọ́ ọmọ sí lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹni fi gba lẹ́tà ìbànújẹ́ o lágbára Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.
Funke Akindele. Okay, because I now posted on my wall. I said, show Funke Akindele some love. Látijọ́ Sunday, ṣé fẹ́ ná Funke Akindele pa ni? Ṣé wèrè ń ṣe yín ni? Kí ló dé? Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń pariwo, Funke is this? Ìmí nínú yín sọ pé ó ugly, orí yín ló burú. Níbo ni Funke Akindele ugly sí? Báwo ló ṣe ugly? She's black, she's beautiful. Just because she did not use bleaching cream, is bleaching cream what you call poke? Must everybody be light-skinned? How can you be saying Funke Akindele is ugly? Ugly where? Ugly pan you there? Kó ṣì lọ. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń bá ṣèyàn láti jọ́ Sunday. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ dákẹ́, ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń nà. Honestly speaking, I wasn't even going to talk about it at all. Mama over there claiming she is the one that told Iyabo Ojo to give Funke Arinzo box. Oh. Mi mọ̀. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń bá ṣe, ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń túlẹ̀ṣẹ̀ láti ọjọ́ Sunday. Látọjọ́ Sunday. Ó wá dàbí ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé Funke Akindele kò tiẹ̀ wá ní fáǹsì kankan. Ṣé Funke Akindele ò ní fáǹsì ni? Tẹ́ ṣe fẹ́ bá yé ẹ̀jẹ̀, tẹ́ ṣe fẹ́ tẹ́ wá lọ ń bú, tẹ́ bá lọ sórí wọ́ọ̀lù Funke Akindele, she posted something, gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ nǹkan síbẹ̀ ni, kíní kan, kò ṣáà ń bú síbẹ̀, ń dárúkọ Toyin Abraham, ṣé wèrè ń ṣe yín ni? How can you say that Funke Akindele is proud? She's not proud. She was probably upset. Nígbà téèyàn bá mú yàn bí àbúrò, tó jẹ́ pé bí àbúrò yẹn òun ló wá tún lọ ń believe nǹkan tí just one person kan tó sọ pé ọkùnrin kan tó ń pè ní kíní kan Àfọláyàn kan bí kan tó sọ nǹkan kan tá ló tiẹ̀ mọ̀ fún yín. Anyway, mi ò ráyé òṣì. Odo Nation, the return of Arinzo is launching on the 3rd, okay? On the 3rd, which is on Friday, which is Good Friday, okay? Ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ lọ wò níjọ́ Friday yẹn, jẹ́ kí n mọ̀. Before kí n tiẹ̀ tó sọ pé we are going to buy 500 tickets. Òun lẹ́nìkan ti send mi lówó fún ẹnìkan ti send mi lówó fún 5 people. I think, well, she sent me 50,000, right? What? Kí ló dé? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Hello? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Yeah. Yeah, gbà. Yeah, cuddle. You kiss mommy? I don't want to kiss. I have flu. I don't want to give it to you. And you too, you have a little bit of flu. Say hello. Say we're going to watch the return of Lorenzo. Only call me. T decided, okay, we want to buy any ticket. But the person just sent 50,000 and said, oh, Dorcas, I can hear you talking about return of Lorenzo. Here, I want, people to go and use this to go and watch the movie. That was what the person said. Kintowa decided, okay, hello, what? Kimasoro. I should just be looking at you. I should be talking to you. I should not talk to this one. Let me send this to me. So ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ lọ wò ní on Friday. Ma bi Google lere. Ìwọ tó ní was I there? Ma bi Google lere. Ẹ̀yin bandits wọ́n ti rán yín síta. Ẹ jẹ́ kó ṣì kú òǹbí. Ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ lọ wò níjọ́ Friday. A known I'm talking about known Odosians, okay? Àwọn eléyìí tá mọ orúkọ wọn. Odosians, known Odosians. Mo ti kọ àwọn orúkọ kọ̀ọ̀kan síbẹ̀ yẹn. We are still going to be adding more to it, okay? Ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ lọ wò ní ọjọ́ Friday yẹn gangan kó o fi gbádùn ara ẹ fún Easter. Comment on this video. I will come to the comment section. I will pick out your name, okay? I think, they said if it's on the island or something, it's 10,000 naira. There are some places to just 7,000 naira. All depend on the all depend on your location, okay? So it depends on any location to bá ti fẹ́ lọ wò. And what I'm going to do as well as this, okay? This is my own little way of helping to promote and of course for people to enjoy this. All right, we're going to make it very nice and fun watching this return of Arinzo. Okay, we're going to make it nice and fun. Odo chance tẹ́ bá ti lọ, ẹ gbádùn ara yín, ẹ enjoy ara yín, ẹ ṣe video, ẹ send sí mi tẹ́ bá ti wò tán, ẹ give positive review yín on the movie. You guys will be standing together, okay? And you will be giving the review of the movie. I'll be posting it on my page for other people that have not watched it, for them to see. Okay, we movie we are going to be giving tickets out all across Nigeria. Tó bá ṣe ní Jẹ̀bú, máa dé Jẹ̀bú. Tó bá lọ Ìbàdàn, ó máa lọ sí Ìbàdàn. Okay, tó bá gbé lọ sí Èkìtì, a máa pín tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì d'Èkìtì. Anywhere you are, mi ò fẹ́ mọ̀ bí tó wà, as long as tó bá ti lè dé cinema. And I can see a lot of people, okay, a lot of people want to obviously watch it, okay? Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ti Ìbàdàn pàápàá anywhere tó má ti show ẹ̀, we're going to give you the ticket. You go there and watch it. Ibi tó má ti fẹ́ ṣe, tó bá ti fẹ́ show, if Alabike is there, okay, Alabike will hand out tickets to you. If you are a known member of Odo Nation, all right, Sister Bolanle Olasukanmi Fashola, ó máa hand the ticket ti yín fún yín, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ known members. When I say known members, ẹ̀yin tí mo mọ̀ torúkọ yín stand out, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń bá wa jáde lọ sí kí náà ti ń pè. Kí ló dé ṣọ́ọ̀ṣù èmi àti ẹ̀kọ́ ní ọba? Ẹ̀yin kí máa ó yá gbà. What do you want? Do you want this one? Yeah. If you're a known member, okay, kí ni mo tẹ́ fẹ́ sọ, ẹ̀yin torúkọ yín tó wà listed sí bí nsìn, irú ẹ̀yin gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ known members, ẹ̀yin foundation members yẹn, ẹ̀yin yẹn, Sister Bolanle Olasukanmi Fash. Okay. Love you. Sister Bolanle Olasukanmi Fash, òun ló máa hand ticket yín over fún yín, because mi ò ní kí Alabike kó wá máa hand ticket yín over fún ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ pé Odo Nation tí Alabike gan bá ń bí, kí ló ń pẹ́ lẹ́rìn. But any other random people that I don't know, that's just me, ò ṣe mọ̀ bí tó ti fẹ́ wá, ó bá jẹ́ ewúrẹ́, ó bá jẹ́ màálù, wàhálà ti ẹnìyẹn, because I don't know who is who that is making comment under the post that I am updating your name on the wall. Tó bá fẹ́ gba ticket, Alabike will be at every location, okay, where the movie will be showing. All right, I might pick more people that will distribute the ticket out. We are not giving you money. Hello, we are not giving you money. We are not giving you money. I am giving you ticket. All right, so I will assign somebody to your location and you will collect your ticket from that person. I am giving you ticket. Mo tẹ̀lé send the camera guy mi gan tó máa bá yín record ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá ti wò tán, a ṣe recording, sọ fún wa bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe enjoy ẹ̀ sí. It's going to be nice and fun. Can you bring the fun back to the return of Arinzo, please? It's going to be nice and fun. Ẹ jẹ popcorn, ẹ gbádùn ara yín. Tẹ́ bá tún ṣe tán gan, tẹ́ lọ sí cinema tẹ́ ṣe tán. If you feel like you want to go out to the for a meal, you guys can go. Now that one is not good, expenses in your initial meal. It's not a meal. Over there, we tẹ́ bá fẹ́ lọ sí club, tẹ́ bá ti wo return of Arinzo tán, ẹ gba club lọ, expenses in here is not a meal. I am only giving you ticket, okay, for the return of Arinzo. Emma Lowa. Sister Timia Johnson, how many tickets are you buying for me? 100 pieces. So I'm in Lagos. I want to watch Sister Lekon, Mr. Lekon Allison. Okay, sir. Okay, no problem. I will note it down. Okay, boss lady, my name is not in the list. I will put your name there. Put your name there. Just put it there. Can somebody help me to be screenshotting the name of Odosians? The known ones. The known ones. When do you want to go and watch? Who are the people sponsoring my ticket? Ta ló fẹ́ sponsor ticket fún mi ẹjọ́? Ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ sponsor 50 people, ó yá contact me. Kí ló dé báyìí sìn? Ṣé ó bí mi? I should not talk. Okay. Has she not talk? Eh? Has she just talked to you alone? Has she just talked to you alone? Has she don't talk to anyone else? Kò fẹ́ jẹ́ kí n bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ online ni o. Ó fẹ́ jẹ́ kí n kàn máa bóun sọ̀rọ̀ nìkan. Kí n kàn face side ọ̀dọ̀ ti ẹnìkan. Okay, I'm facing you now. Eh? Sister Timmy Johnson, everybody is claiming foundation member. Oh yeah, King, kí ló dé báyìí sí? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? After Easter. Okay, so you want to go on Sunday with that. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lọ Sunday. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ lọ níjọ́ Sunday. Hello. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ lọ níjọ́ Sunday, Sister Bolanle Fash. Sister Bolanle Olasukomi Fash. You know her very well. She's the one to speak to. I will make sure the ticket gets to her once I get the number of people that are going to watch it on Sunday with her. Okay? So, gbogbo what tó fẹ́ lọ wò níjọ́ Sunday, Sister Bolanle ló máa fún ẹ ní ticket. If Alabike is going to be at a location as well, some tickets will be given to her as well to distribute out. Now, I need your support on these Odosians. The ticket for the island is 10,000 naira. Some other places are 7,000 naira. So I want you to support this particular cause. I want us to do 500 people. Okay, ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ sponsor èèyàn mẹ́wàá, mówó mẹ́wàá wá. Tó bá fẹ́ sponsor èèyàn 20. Boss lady, we will compile the list and send it. Thank you very much, Sister Adi. God bless you. Help me to send it to Jerry. God bless you. I mean, you're helping me to compile the one of the known Odosians, right? Are you compiling the name of known Odosians? Eba mi koruko won sita. Oh, Sister Ojero, her name is not there. Kilode. Eh? Check my salon. Check my salon, yoba. Eh? Check my salon. Yagba. I don't have energy to back you. Wallahi. Hello? Kachiko, wallahi. Kachiko. Wallahi, I don't get energy to back you. Wallahi, I don't get energy to back you. Already, I don't get energy to back you. Wallahi, wallahi, talai, I don't get energy to back you. One good is one la wa Hausa ló tún ní ẹ, àbí? Kachiko, kade tún máa sa Hausa fún ẹ. Mo ń bọ̀, mi ò tí gbàgbé ẹ o. Àwẹ̀lé mi tí gbàgbé ẹ, mo ní flu ni mo ń bọ̀, mi ò tí gbàgbé ẹ. Mo ń bọ̀. Somebody said everybody is a known member. So ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ jọ, tó bá fẹ́ ra ticket fún wa lórí ìkànnì bí. We are trying to do 500. I'm begging you, boss lady, answer me. I'm in Abeokuta, mommy. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà l'Amẹ́ríkà, Abeokuta kọ́. Abeokuta ni. So help us to support this, support it. The only thing that we can do, okay, is to do what? Is to support Iyabo Ojo's movie positively, and please let us stop posting about the fight. Let us concentrate more about the movie. The silent watchers will get it as well. Sister Bolani Balogun Dukoya. Yes, the silent watchers will get it. I said I'm picking name randomly, but there are some known members, the ones that helps with the foundation work. Check the list of people that brought clothes bought clothes for 2024 Christmas party. Sister Timmy Johnson. Oh, okay, no problem. I'll check him out. Somebody said, make Iyabo Ojo drop what? Make Iyabo Ojo drop movie for December 1st. Anyway, for me, let Jerry me only learning enjoy. So yes, let us do this. We can do this and we can make it very nice and fun. Okay. There are actually some people that have never been to the cinema before. Okay, that they are making comments under the comment section like, we've never attended cinema before, we have never been to the cinema before, please, I want to go. And ẹ jẹ́ ká polongo, ẹ tẹ́ fi blog yín ẹ fi ṣe nǹkan tó positive, kò ń ṣe ká ẹ mórí eléyìí kẹ́ fi gba ilé bí amẹbọ shit amẹbọ nonsense. Do you understand what I mean? Ẹ fi blog yín ẹ fi ṣe kíni, ẹ fi promote nǹkan positively. Iṣẹ́ kẹ́ máa bayé jẹ́, kẹ́ máa bayé jẹ́. Kì í ṣe kẹ́ máa bayé jẹ́. Kò ń ṣe pé ìjà ẹ worú ẹni tó pè rẹ̀ ní Yakubu Adéọlá ń sìn. Ìgbà tá treat case àwọn kí náà ti ń pè ṣiṣẹ́ alágbo àǹkó. Ó ń bú mi káàkiri ni, tó ń bú mi kiri. Ó rò bóyá mi ò mọ̀. Àti treat case yẹn tó ń sìn, ó ti padà wálé, ó tún ti padà wálé. Ẹ má báyé Ìyábọ̀ jẹ́, ẹ má báyé Tóyìn jẹ́, ẹ má báyé Fúnkẹ́ jẹ́. Nǹkan táwọn sọ nìyẹn. Èyí tẹ́ ẹ ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Fúnkẹ́ yẹn ti tó. And Funke should not be getting bashed. Why? Because she's inside this return of Arinzo. Ẹ̀rọ ti ìyá Ikima. Ṣé o ti pé, okay, nígbà tá a treat case ìyá Ikima. Okay, are you back home now? That means pé jẹ́ blocking time gbà yẹn nìyẹn, mo gbàgbé ni o. Torí most of yín mo ti bá yín wá, èmi kí ló kàn mí, mo like blocking bàjẹ́, mo ti ṣáì sí blocking, èwo ń tèmi. Ṣá ti treat case ìyá Ikima tó ń sìn, you are back. Ó ní boss lady. Oh my God. Let us learn to love each other, honestly speaking. Honestly. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń bá ṣe irun Fúnkẹ́, ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń bá ṣe. Meanwhile, Fúnkẹ́ tẹ̀ ń bá ṣe ni. Ó wà nínú movie Return of Arinzo. Ó wà ń bẹ̀ náà. Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ máa bá ṣe Fúnkẹ́ tí Return of Arinzo tó máa ṣe kíní? Abọ́sẹ̀dé Abíọ́dún, ṣebí wọn náà ti lọ pẹ̀lú mọ̀mọ́. Ó tún ti padà wá. Abọ́sẹ̀dé Abíọ́dún, no thing say I no see. I know most of you, most especially ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ṣe kíní káàkiri yẹn. I know even this Abọ́sẹ̀dé something going. You too, you don't go with mama. Why you coming back again now? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Torí àmọ́ bí tẹ́ belong sí, dẹ̀ dúró sójú kan. Anyway, everybody ń gbádùn ara rẹ̀ lórí mi, kí ndèmi gan tiẹ̀ sọ pé ká dúró sójú kan. Everybody ń gbádùn ara rẹ̀ lórí Facebook, ní ibi tó bá wọ anybody ló lè kó rẹ̀ lọ. Eré tó bá wọ anybody ló lè sá, ibi tó bá wùyàn ni, because kò sí anybody tó ń san receipt, kò sí anybody tó ń san data anybody. Ìtorí ẹ̀ mo ṣe máa ń sọ, ẹni tó ń wo nǹkan bí ló ń wo nǹkan lọ. Ìyẹn náà ti lọ tó ti bá mọ̀mọ́ lọ o, tó bú mi o, tí mo rí pó bú mi o, ó sì ti padà wá sílé ńsìn. Meanwhile, bó ṣe wá síbí yẹn, mọ̀mọ́ lè gbé ṣépè lálẹ́ pé kí ló wá ṣe ń bí. Oh God. Anyway, gbogbo everybody máa wá okay. They want freebies in it. I'm my time. Me, I no go with mama. Nah, yeah, I do. I was there. Only kan bí. Ta fún ní nígbà tá ṣe o lè dúmọ́ta dé. Nígbà tá ṣe o lè dúmọ́ta dé. Ó dìdí wá sínú inbox mi ni. Mi ò rántí orúkọ ẹ̀ mọ́, kíní kan ó ṣàforú. Ìkíní kan fi yìí ọ́, kíní kan fi yìí, kíní kan. Àfìgbà tí mo máa rí ni mo bá tún rí ní ọ̀dọ̀ mọ̀mọ́ tó ń bú mi. Mo ní wèrè láwọn wèrè tó wà lórí Facebook yìí. Wèrè láwọn wèrè tó wà lórí Facebook yìí. Ìwọ tó bú tí mo fún ẹ ní ṣé 10,000 náà gbà nígbà o lè dúmọ́ta dé. Ó tún ti lọ bú mi lọ́dọ̀ mọ̀mọ́. Kí mo ṣe fún ọ tó ṣe gbowó mi tán fi yìí, mo máa mú ẹ̀. Mo gbà wèrè pọ̀ lórí. Wèrè pọ̀ lórí social media gan. Ó yá gbà. You don't want it? Oba, you are an attention seeker. You tún sọ pé you like attention. Yes? You like attention. You just want me to be talking to you alone? I should not do any other talking anywhere. Yeah, you like my attention. My attention gives you comfort. Mm. Ah, wèrè ní gbogbo wa. Yoba, I joined them on Saturday, on Sunday. Who is that? Okay. Orúkọ yín ti wà nínú líìsì Sister Fashi. Orúkọ yín ni mo kọ síbẹ̀ yẹn. Orúkọ yín wà ńbẹ̀ now. Is it not there? Is it there? Kafaya Salami is not there. Gbogbo àwọn eléyìí tí mo kọ sórí kíní tí mo gbé síbí, they are going on Sunday. All these people are going on Sunday, except of course if they cannot attend on Sunday. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ lọ on Friday, ẹ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀. Ṣé ó yé yín báyẹn? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ lọ on Friday, ẹ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀. Sister Ade can pick some people as well. Alabike can pick some people from her page as well. Ẹ ṣàkóra yín jọ ká ṣàpè 500. About to pay 500 in total. And to those of you that you are sponsoring or supporting this particular one, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ do so. Ẹ bá wa ṣe kíni? Ẹ bá wa support Iyabo Ojo. This is the little that I can do. Please support this particular one. Okay, you can buy ticket for 20 people if you want. Tó bá fẹ́ ra ticket fún èèyàn mẹ́wàá, ra ticket fún èèyàn mẹ́wàá. Tó bá fẹ́ ra fún 20 people, ra fún 20. Ó bá fẹ́ ra fún 150 people, ra fún wọn jọ̀ọ́. So the details is there, or you can contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, you know my phone number 079610 11814, or you can buzz me via my inbox if you want the account details that you will pay the fund into for this particular one here. So please do so. Support here. They are starting this Friday. From Friday onward, every day. No mama law. Every day. No, Abo said I saw you somewhere. Wallahi, I saw you somewhere. Every day. No mama shikini, no mama law. Cinema. One day mama give review and you enjoy yourself. You play, you have fun. You know, you meet other celebrities as well. Share, understand? In groups. You can go in groups of 20. You know, go in groups of 30. You can go in groups of 40. In groups of me, I was even thinking boya 100 but they said it would be nice and fun if we do it like boya be 20 20 30 30. So it will be might make more sense like that. So Ejo, support for this particular one, and please don't bash any of them. Don't fight Toyin Abraham. Don't fight Funke Akindele, and stop abusing Iyabo Ojo. That woman is strong, you know. Man, no. In Kote man, she fun Iyabo Ojo. I don't know how. I mean, she's very strong like me, Sha. Because no. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. Ó ti pọ̀ jù. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe kíni, ẹ jẹ́ ká níbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Ẹ jẹ́ kí Iyabo Ojo, ẹ jẹ́ kó nísinmi. Ẹ jẹ́ kó ṣe kíni, ẹ jẹ́ kó nísinmi. Ntẹ́ ń ṣe fún ó ti pọ̀ jù. So support this and God bless you as you do so. And I will be, hammering on this all the time. To our fans that are on, YouTube and all of that, if any of you want to support this particular one, Return of Arinzo, we are buying 500 tickets. Please come together. Let us do this together. We can do it. Odosians are capable. Anybody to bá fẹ́ ra ticket fún èèyàn 50 jọ, mi ò ní mind. Tó bá fẹ́ ra fún 100, mi ò ní mind. Ẹ support it and God bless you. Ẹ dẹ̀ máa fi Iyabo Ojo, ẹ máa fi sínú àdúrà yín, ẹ jọ, because gbogbo òṣì yẹn àti gbogbo àwọn wàhálà yẹn ó kàn tiẹ̀ ti pọ̀ jù. I just can't stand it. And I'm just going to pass this quick message on to Toyin Abraham. Okay. Iyabo Ojo is your sister, she's close to you. She has taken so much bullet for you. All right. You can, of course, help her with this particular movie. You can put an end to all these miscreants that are online that kept constituting nuisance. You can put an end to it by doing what? By, supporting her movie and asking people to please go and watch the movie instead of fighting this and fighting that. And let them know that you and Funke Akindele Emma sort out the issue in later on. So, John to Rolo. The lovers and supporters of Iyabo Ojo. Continue láti máa gbàdúrà fún. Àdúrà yín Adema Shekini, I continue láti Shekini Agba lórí ẹ̀. This particular movie, done deal ni. Tó ṣe máa wà nìyẹn. Àfi táwa yóò bá fọwọ́ sí. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to patronize all the people that we are advertising for. Everybody that we're advertising for. Golden Agent Cosmetics. This is all their service. And they have sales. That is the Easter sales. Easter sales is coming up. Oh, Oba. They have Easter sales coming up from the 3rd of April. The same day the movie here to load. From the 3rd of April, Easter sales will be coming up. Ní Golden Agent Cosmetics, 10% off. And you will never ever regret patronizing us. Please patronize us for Easter sales. Gbogbo àwọn services tá lè ṣe kíni tá lè offer yín òun ló wà ní orí screen yẹn. Ẹ má gbàgbé patronize wa ní Goldwem Ìyá Ìjẹ̀bú. Goldwem Ìyá Ìjẹ̀bú, wọ́n ta ewé, wọ́n ta egbò àti gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣara lóore. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ní kùdìẹ̀kùdìẹ̀ díẹ̀díẹ̀ lára, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ contact Goldwem Ìyá Ìjẹ̀bú. Contact Eniola Sisi Alagbo. They are also doing promo at the moment. Ẹ má gbàgbé Àjọkẹ́ Gold International for your 100% beautiful, lovely, amazing, wonderful Italian golds. Ẹ contact wa ní gbogbo àwọn channels yẹn. I am still coming back. Okay, mi ò tí gbàgbé ẹ̀. Mi ò gbàgbé Àwẹ̀lé Èkìtì. Mo ń padà bọ̀ wá fún Àwẹ̀lé Èkìtì. Let me end this one. I'll come back and finish the rest of our advert after the show. Don't forget to please support me on this one. I want us to, like I said, I want us to go for 500, okay? 500 Mufeka go for the return of Arenzo. And God bless you, Udoshan's mommy, daddy, uncles, and aunties, as you support me on this one. Like I said, it's going to be nice. It's going to be fun. You all are going to really enjoy it. That is Enyomodu Nishakwakata. Tebati law. Emma law in 20s, 30s, maybe 40s. I don't know how you guys want to do it. Okay. And when you go, I'll probably send my camera guy along with you guys. I want you to give your review, what you enjoy so much about the movie, so that then we'll post it online. Other people will be so eager. Everybody will like, okay, wow, oh God, people are saying this about the movie. And when you're talking, I want to my fellow, I want to my so, oh, I want to go and watch it. I want to go and watch it. Do you understand what I mean? Okay, so thank you very much. God bless you as you support this one. And yes, I cannot wait to see those of you that you are going to watch it on Friday. At Saturday. And then from Monday, it's going to be every day until the return of Arenzo. I love, and appreciate you. Imi o lota kankan. To ba so edota mi problem aye eniyan. Ìwọ tó bá dé fẹ́ bú mi máa bọ̀ wá. Àwa náà ṣe kíni, àwa náà wà nílẹ̀ fún ẹ. Return of Arenzo. Òun làwa ṣe kíni, òun làwa mọ̀. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ by supporting our own dying TMO, supporting Iyabo Ojo, Alice Iyabo Ojo. I am supporting that. If you want to go in, just alert me. But Asike, stop it. Just about. At the moment. But Asike, how many tickets are you buying? Are you buying for 100 people? Anyway, I'm coming to your WhatsApp to come and get tickets. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ bú mi ẹ bọ́ síta o. Ẹ jáde o. Èmi náà wà nílé o. Mi ò fẹ́ kí ẹ má bẹ́yìn náà ṣe fẹ́ jẹ́ kí page yín kó dry. Ẹ má jẹ́ kọ́dọ̀ mi náà dry o. Ẹ bọ́ síta mò ń bọ̀. Ẹ má bọ̀ wá. Wọ́n aṣòṣì máa mọ̀. Thank you very much for watching, or thank you in advance for watching the return of Arenzo. I love you. Bye bye.